Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming basics that matter. Connect the drive to a working port and use a known good cable so the problem isn't physical. Once connected, make sure Finder shows external disks, then open Disk Utility and locate the problematic device. Note its name and capacity so you can avoid the wrong target. Next, try First Aid. Select the disk and click First Aid to repair directory structures. If it runs, watch results closely, because repair success dictates the next steps. If First Aid can't fix the volume, reboot into recovery mode and open terminal to run fsck, or use diskutal verify disk and diskutal repair volume on the exact disk identifier. This targets file system corruption more aggressively. Once done, attempt manual mount with diskutal mount disk /dev/disk, and so you don't accidentally operate on the wrong disk. If the mount still fails and data is important, pause and run a read-only recovery tool. This preserves when you have recovered data or confirmed it's expendable, erase the disk in Disk Utility. Choose GUID partition map and apps for recent Mac OS or Mac OS extended for older systems, then reformat. Once formatted, restore your backup and verify integrity. If formatting fails or the drive still won't mount, try a different Mac or a powered USB hub to rule out power issues. If none of that works, contact a professional recovery service. Don't continue destructive attempts if data is irreplaceable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.